One day, Little Elephant was very tired. Bird asked, "What's wrong?" "I help everyone," said Little Elephant. "I pushed Bunny's heavy carrot cart. I picked up Bird's lost letter. I carried Monkey's fruit basket. I help and help, but I feel so tired." "Helping is kind," Bird said gently, "but it's okay to say no sometimes." The next day, Bunny said, "Can you push my toy box?" Little Elephant looked at the big box. He took a deep breath. "Sorry, Bunny. I need to rest now." "That's okay. I can ask Monkey," Bunny said. Little Elephant lay under a tree. Saying no is okay. Can you be brave and say no too? Like and follow.